Hey everyone, it's Jessica Licona coming to you live from the Licona team headquarters here in Austin, Texas. We're the Licona team with Compass Real Estate, and this is a perfect time to start talking about spring cleaning. So some of the things that we found are really helpful tips are for those that maybe have never thought about getting a yearly subscription through your HVAC company. And what they do is during the winter they'll come in and they'll look at your furnaces and maintain those, and then in the springtime they'll come and check out your your cooling system, and they'll offer suggestions on maintaining. We did this recently and we found that we had a small carbon dioxide detection leak that wasn't being detected with our the reader, basically because of the proximity, and so we thought, let's get that taken care of. So I want to share that with you. If you need any great HVAC company contacts for that, we'd be glad to offer that. Another cool thing that you guys probably remember, but let's not forget that there's still a great opportunity to go on Amazon, and every 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, however often you're using your HVAC system, that you get an ongoing replacement of filters, air filters, so making sure you change those out. Another thing you should be doing as you're getting your lawn mowed and we're starting to have pollen drop is that you should take a water hose and go all around the condenser. So that's the exterior unit that feeds to your HVAC system. Take a water hose from top to bottom, left to right, and go around all 4 panels and make sure you spray it down every few months at a minimum. That will help it to make sure it breathes and continues to recycle air more efficiently and effectively. And then for land, now people are going, okay, what do I do for landscaping, and what do I do to make sure our grass looks great? So remember that we do have city restrictions based on which city you're in, and just following those water restrictions for your area. But then also you can get your yard aerated, and then they'll put what they call Dillo dirt down, which is a phenomenal fertilizer. And then you can also fertilize your dirt, every 6 months or so. So if you guys would like any great landscaping contacts, we have a wonderful, wonderful team. Shane will personally come out, meet you guys, introduce himself, and walk you through anything you might need. He can also help you guys garden, plant anything, mulch, get up leaves and weeds, things of that nature, blow out garden beds. So those are a few helpful tips as we're going into the springtime to enhance your home and make sure everything's working efficiently and effectively. We look forward to being a resource to you around any vendors that you might need, but certainly reach out to us if we can offer these contacts for you. Thanks so much as always for your support, and we are never too busy for any of your referrals. Take care. Bye-bye.